back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Base box for the month of April. So if you want to know what I got in my beat up box, this is what it looks like. And then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started.
Guess I'm the plug, yes I'm your truck, pass me a lighter. Just light it up, let's blaze it up, this fire. Just pass him a lighter.
Okay guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this April base box. This is what mine looks like, guys. It is kind of beat up, so hopefully all of the products are okay in there. I always like to give you guys what my first impressions are. So we're gonna open this together. I'm so excited. I'm hoping that I get my makeup items because I really look forward to makeup. This is the whole reason why I am subscribed to Boxycharm, is because I look forward to my makeup items. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into this little beat up box. This is what it looks like. And oh gosh, I'm gonna drop this. This is what the little theme card is. It is a boxy spring reveal. I think that's what it says. I'm not sure. And I will let you guys know what my variation is. So my variation is the letter C, 2204-110-BA. All right, guys, let's get into this little box. So excited. Hopefully they sent out some makeup. Okay, so this is the first thing that I am pulling out. I think this is going to be a really good box. I am starting off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. This one was actually my choice item that I did last month. So hopefully I did pick out the right shade. Oh my god, I've never tried this foundation and I am so excited to try it. Okay, I don't know if this color is gonna work out for me. It does look a little bit orange. Oh shit, I did not realize that it has like a wand in here. I was totally not expecting that at all. I think the packaging kind of fooled me a little bit, but okay, we'll work it out with this little wand. I do want to swatch it a little. Oh dang, I think I put a little too much. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to play with this foundation. This is the first item that I got, and I am so excited for it. Okay, so this is what it kind of looks like. I forgot what color I chose, but I'm gonna blend it out with my little sponge here because we are gonna start getting into spring and summer. Okay, I think I can make it work out. If you guys can tell, having a bad hair day. I just got out of work. I'm hot in here. My ears are red. Oh my god, let me just say the obvious. Anyways, I think I can make this foundation work. I am so excited. I got the color 240N. I've never tried a Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, but I'm so excited. I'm so excited that I finally got it and now I get to try it out. I will definitely make it work. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the next item in my little Boxycharm box. And let's start with this because this is kind of heavy. It's like weighing down my box. All right, so this is it Sila? I'm not sure how you say the name, but this is a clay cleanser. Oh, I love that. I'm really not into like skincare, but I am down for a new cleanser because I'm almost done with mine. I don't know how I feel about this foundation. I'm excited. I can't wait to try it out tomorrow. I am excited for this cleanser because I do need a new one. I am especially looking for something that has like beads. This one doesn't have beads. I need like something to exfoliate my face, to like take off all of the like dead skin cells and like deep clean my skin. But this one seems like it's a really nice cleanser. You guys can't see it, but I'm excited. I'm excited to try out this little cleanser, and I am down for the packaging. It is so cool, and it's like a nice squeezy tube. So I'm excited for that new cleanser that I just got. All right, guys, so we're down to like 3 items. Let's start off with this one to see what this is. So this is by Lucky Chick. I think that's what it says, Lucky Chick. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is what it looks like. And what is this? It is a liquid eyeshadow. Ooh, the only liquid eyeshadows that I really love are the Stila ones. Those are my favorite. Okay, this is what this looks like. And it's like a brush, like a nail polish brush applicator. This is what it looks like. Let me see. Oh, this is actually a very pretty, like a mauve-y, rosy, metallic shade. Oh my God, I almost want to try it. I think I am. I want to see what this looks like. Oh, it gives it a really, really nice shine. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like kind of like right in there in the middle of my lid. This is so pretty. I am so excited to try this out. I've never heard of this brand, but hopefully it's a good liquid eyeshadow. I'm excited to try it out for tomorrow when I go to work. All right, so we got 3 items down. 2 of them are makeup products, and then we just have 2 left. Let's see what this is. This is by Studio Makeup. This is a hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum. So skincare. All right, so this is, oh, it's actually a very nice bottle. I think it's glass. And okay, this is something different. I really love the packaging on it, so I might give it a try. Because I hate skincare, but this looks really appealing to me. And then it has like a little dropper. This is nice. I hope it works out. I'm going to give this a try. So far, I'm okay with the skincare items that they sent out this month. I think that this is going to be a good box. So far, not bad. I'm not disappointed. I feel like it's a good box so far. Okay, guys, and then it looks like this is the last item in our box. Item Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. Yay! Oh my God, this is kind of unique. I've never seen any packaging like this. It's really nice. It's like a periwinkle color. It's really, really nice. It's a nice, tall, and skinny with a really nice, like a matte lid. What the hell is this? This is so tiny. Okay, so this is what the wand looks like on this, guys. It's really, really, really small. Oh my God, guys, I'm like shook. This eyeshadow is so pretty. I really like it. Okay. So it looks like it's a really tiny mascara, but I don't know if it has like a lot of product on the wand though. I don't know. I'm going to have to play with it, but I'm so happy that I got this box. I feel like this variation is amazing. I love this box. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the base box variation, specifically mine. I really like mine. I feel like this box, it meets my needs. So comment down below, and just a friendly reminder, guys, if you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below and join my YouTube family, because I'm really, really close to hitting my 7,000 subscribers. Woo! So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe down below. And back to this mascara. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to play with it. Because the wand is super, super, super tiny. And I feel like it would be like a really good mascara for my eyelashes down below. And yeah, I love my makeup products. So let me just recap everything with you guys, because I'm so excited for my box. I'm still waiting for my other box as well. What is it called? The premium box. I'm still waiting for my premium box. I already got my tracking information, but I haven't got it yet. But overall, guys, I'm super satisfied with my base box this month. So overall, we're going to review the retail value according to them. So first off, the Anastasia foundation. What do we think? I think it blended really nicely into my skin. Anyways, so the foundation does retail for $38. And then up next, we have the Glacier, I can't say it. The clay cleanser, which is this one right here. This one does retail for $45. I'm actually going to use this. I'm going to jump into the shower and like wash this whole face off because it's been a long day at work. Half of my face is gone because of the face mask. So yeah, that's what that is. I'm excited to try this. I am so excited. This one does retail for $45. It is kind of fancy, but I am going to use this right now. Then up next, we got the Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid. I don't know, this little bottle, it feels appealing to me, like it attracts me because it's so pretty. So I will definitely be giving this one also a try. This one does retail for another $45. And then we have the Lash Stack Lengthening Mascara, which is this one. This one does retail for $15. And then the Lucky Chick eyeshadow. Oh my god, look how pretty it looks on my lid. It looks so pretty. So this one right here does retail for $22. Let me add it all up and I'll tell you how much my retail value is of my box for this month. Okay guys, so the total value of my base box was of $165 and I am super satisfied with my box. The items that I look forward to the most is the eyeshadow and the foundation. These are my two favorite I love me my makeup items. And that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned for an upcoming video with the premium box coming soon. And of course, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Leave me a comment. Let your girl know what's up with the base box. And that's going to be it. Please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.